Hi, here is Marie Stick here. I don't know if you can see it, but here is Litchfield, Illinois' old Federal Signal 2001, located by the restaurant here. And you can see it right here. And this siren got replaced by that whelen 2804. But you can see it right there. Here's a zoom in of it. Not the best zoom in of it, but this used to be their old siren before the whelen took its place. And up by the fire station, again, they used to have that Thunderbolt 1003. They had a Thunderbolt 1003 by the fire station, and this is their 2001 by the street off of Rural King and Maverick. That used to be the old Ponderosa Steakhouse. Then it closed down and became Maverick. But this is the Maverick Steakhouse. But you can see the 2001 here. I paused the video. This is by Lisa Brooks. This is not by me, so thank you for the credit, Lisa Brooks. But this is for siren fans interested. But this used to be their old 2001. And again, they got rid of it, replaced it with the whelen 2804. 2804 that you see in multiple videos that I made of that siren. But right now you can see the 2001. I'm pretty sure that is the 2001. I think it's been there for quite some time. I think they replaced it either 2013 or 14 with that whelen. But if you guys live in Litchfield, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, Litchfield sure has changed over the years. I'm thinking about finding more of their sirens. I think they got at least a few more by the lake. But you can see clearly in this video the 2001. It's kind of blurry. But that used to be their old whelen, 2001, before the whelen took its place. The ones off of Route 16, like going towards the hospital, or past the hospital, and the one by the school, I don't know what sirens they were. The one by the school is the Vortex, the whelen Vortex, and the other one is a whelen 2805. So if you guys know what sirens were there, especially that one in Eklund Park, let me know in the comments. But until then, here's a close-up of... Man, I just hate it when my fingers get in the way. But yeah, here's their siren. Peace.